Ladies and gentlemen, it is Thursday. It is cool. It is cold. If you are not warm, please stay warm. I know a lot of people are battling without power and all that kind of stuff, but the recordings are going out. So this has been kind of on my mind quite a bit is our logo. So I'm not going to go into the history of the logo, all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to kind of give you the philosophy behind the Nantex logo. So the Nantex logo, a prosperity ecosystem hidden in plain sight. Tonight, I'm not going to explain the logo. I'm going to explain life. But somewhere inside this logo, you will find yourself. You will never look at the logo the same way ever again. Before we begin, have you ever noticed that the biggest things in life are invisible? Love, trust, hope, faith, character, and even purpose. Now, you cannot touch them, yet they determine everything. And the same is true of wealth. Most people think wealth begins with money. It doesn't. Money is simply a visible result of invisible principles. And the Nantex logo is going to tell that story. The circle, life has no departments. People divide life into work, family, money, health, business, and relationships. Life doesn't. When your health suffers, your family feels it. When your finances suffer, your stress increases. When stress increases, relationships suffer. Everything is connected. Circle reminds us that prosperity is never one-dimensional. That's why the Nantex isn't one product, it is an ecosystem. Why is the circle open to nothing? Because there is no finish line. Growth never ends, learning never ends, serving never ends, and legacy never ends. The circle represents continuous improvement. Every month, every year, every generation. Now the ring, golden ring on the outside, value surrounds everything. Gold is absolutely fascinating. Now, unlike paper money, government and people or companies cannot simply just print more of it. It must be discovered, refined, protected, and stored. Its value comes from scarcity and trust. Now, quickly think about your own life, your character, your reputation, your word. Those are also forms of gold. Your greatest asset is not your bank account. It is your credibility. That's all we have. Nantex is built on value before reward, because value attracts reward. Reward never, ever creates value. The tree, everything alive grows. The opposite of growth isn't failure, it is stagnation. Trees never decide, I've grown enough, I think I'm big enough. They simply keep on growing every season, sometimes fast, sometimes slow, sometimes even unseen. Now, the question is not, are you successful? The real question is, are you still growing? The trunk, the identity. Everything passes through the trunk. Without it, nothing reaches the branches. Now, the trunk is who you become, not what you own. Your integrity, discipline, leadership, and character. Without these, the tree eventually falls. The trunk reminds us that success must be carried by character. The roots, unseen life. Nobody applauds roots, nobody photographs them, and nobody posts roots on social media. Yet, roots determine everything. Your habits, your reading, your consistency, your prayers, your discipline, your humility. These are your roots. Now, people admire fruit, but I wrote it in there. But God grows roots first. My God. Past, nothing. Notice something remarkable. Roots only grow downwards. They never grow upwards. The past cannot change, but and strengthen you. Every disappointment, every failed business, betrayal, every loss, every lesson, everything you've survived came another root. Nothing was ever wasted. Branches is the possibility. Now, roots grow into certainty, but branches, grow into possibility. Branches explore, they reach, they expand, and they take risks. Some branches become enormous while others never develop, exactly like opportunities. And the people who grow the furthest are those willing to reach further. The leaves, this is lives. A tree never grows leaves for itself. Think about that. Leaves, the leaves provide shade, provides oxygen, beauty, protection, and food. Fruit. Everything a tree produces is there to benefit something or someone else. Success was never supposed to stop with us. The real prosperity always serves somebody else. The more lives we touch, the larger our trees become. Empty spaces in the logo. Now you can see the logo on the left, but we're going to get to that now. Opportunity still exists. Now look carefully. The logo isn't full. There are spaces. Why? Because your story hasn't finished yet. There's still room for another member, another family, another leader, even another generation. The logo isn't finished because your journey isn't finished. Blue, that's the peace. Blue isn't aggressive, it is calm. Why? Because true prosperity produces peace, not panic, not pressure, not fear, but peace. Here's a big life principle. If your success costs your peace, it isn't success. Think about that. Golden X, multiplication. The X is the final lesson. Now, please look carefully. It stands bigger than the other letters. Why? Because multiplication only happens after roots, after growth, and after value. Most people chase multiplication first. Nature never does. Nature says seed, root, growth, fruit, then multiplication. The X represents exponential impact, not only more income. It's more influence, more families helped, more leaders developed, and more communities changed. Now, the whole logo, now, you're going to look at it now, but just kind of look at it, stand back a little bit. Now, you no longer see a tree. You see a cycle, a life, an ecosystem. You see a foundation, growth, connection, leadership, service, and legacy. That is prosperity ecosystem. Now, the greatest secret in the logo is the network links. What is missing? I know people in the logo. Why? Because we are missing. We are the missing pieces. Because without members, it's just artwork. Without builders, it's only a design. And without people's lives, without living its values, it's just a logo. We complete logo. We become the roots, trunk, the branches, and the shade for somebody else. And in closing in this session, I used to think Ananta X had a pretty cool logo, and I've always said it, but when I did this, I realized it's not just a logo, it's a mirror. Because every time I see it now, from now on, I'm going to ask myself, how deep are my roots? Am I still growing? Whose life am I improving? And what legacy am I leaving? Because one day, people won't remember how much money we made. They'll remember the tree that we planted and the shadow that we cast. And those people will be in that shadow. So kind of just zooming out a little bit. That is the Ananta X logo. We got the circle, the gold ring, the tree, the roots, the branches, the leaves, the networking connections, the blue, The gold X and the whole logo tells our story, our journey, the past. The roots tell your story, every lesson, every experience that has strengthened you and brought you to where you are today. The present, this is where we are growing. Every decision today shapes our tomorrow and then our future. Our future is our forest. Our legacy will provide shade for those who follow. Now we are the missing piece, because without people, it is only a logo. With us, it becomes an absolute movement.